Dr. Justin Paul, originally from Kerala, holds 3 PhDs from the University of Brighton, England, IIT Bombay, and Calcutta. He is the chief editor of A-ranked International Journal of Consumer Studies, the Consumer Research Journal with the highest impact factor, and Scopus Site score in the world with Q1 status on Web of Science. With 37,000 citations, ranked among the top 70 highly cited professors in business and economics in the world, and with citations increasing at a record rate of 1,000 per month with an H index of 92, Dr. Paul has also published 4 case studies with Ivy and Harvard. Currently, the most cited author in business and social sciences subjects based in India, Dr. Paul is an author of over 200 articles in SSCI Web of Science journals and has over 75 papers in A or A-star journals on the ABDC list. He has visited over 90 countries and 500 universities for speeches. He has transformed IJCS as a journal with 2,600 submissions in 2023 from 575 in 2019. Dr. Justin Paul is a former faculty member with the University of Washington, serves as Provost and Dean, NMIMS University, and has been a professor of MBA and Director Research at the University of Puerto Rico, USA, with a 3-year professorship at the University of Reading, England. He has also served as MBA Director at Nagoya University, Japan, and as Department Chair at IIM Indore. Dr. Paul introduced the Mastige model and measure for branding, the CPP model for internationalization, the SCOP framework for small firms, the 7P framework for international marketing, ADO, TCCM frameworks, and SPAR4 SLR protocols for literature reviews. Dr. Paul holds Honorary Distinguished Professor, Professor of Eminence titles from University of Budapest, Hungary, Korean University, Seoul, Lebanese American University, IIM Kozhikode, MS University, and the University of Warsaw, Poland. We welcome you, sir.